today's video, I'm going to attempt to do the free marker challenge. And if you don't know what a free marker challenge is, it's basically an art challenge where you pick 3 random markers and then try and make some art with it. So I picked like random colors from each color family, and also I decided to only choose markers that only have a brush pen because I just feel more comfortable working with them. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes and just pick the markers. Okay, first one is this aqua mint color. Oh wow, okay, another one is this green. I hope that the third one is not going to be like green, another green. Oh, I got this red. It's called garnet. It's going to be really interesting because it's like one green, one blue-green, and one red. And those are actually like complementary colors, so I really hope that it's going to turn out well. First thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to swatch all of these markers and also see what kind of color combinations I can get. I think I'm going to use this color the most because it's the lightest out of the bunch and you can layer it the most. Oh yeah, this is like a really saturated green. I would never reach for this green. Okay, this one is so dark too, oh my god. Now let's see how they work together. I think this would create like a more brownish color. Yeah, I can basically make like really dark brown with these two. Let's see how I can use this one. Also, I hope it's not like bleeding through too much. That's okay. With this color, I can basically lighten up the green a little bit. Yeah, so this doesn't really do that much, and I think I can blend these two out really nicely. Yeah. Then what about if I put this darker one on top of the blue-green? Whoop! I made a mess already. But okay, just... Can I use the colorless blender? Does that like qualify as a marker? If I layer this mint color on top of the red, it like lightens it a little bit and makes like this violet color, kinda like a violet color. It's like kinda muddy because those are like opposite colors, like green and red, but at the same time it's like a blue-green, so it makes it look a little bit more violet. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to draw, so let me sketch some things. Yeah, I think I'm going to use like a brown erasable colored pencil for sketching. This is going to look weird. I've never used this color combination. Oh yeah, it bleeds through. I'm gonna have to cover this page because I already like did some work on it. And even though I don't like any of these drawings, I still don't want them to get completely ruined. I've been really in the mood of drawing animals lately, so I might just draw like a cute animal. And maybe also some greenery, because we have a lot of like green colors. I should probably use a reference for this. But at the same time, I'm only just like brainstorming, so not sure what kind of animal is this supposed to be. It looks like a teddy bear, but also like a weird one. Now it's starting to look like a weird kind of a hybrid animal. I was thinking about drawing like an otter, but I have never drawn an otter, and this is basically what came out of my head when I tried to draw it, so that's I think the body is like not too bad. It should be like a little bit longer, and the face looks like it's supposed to be like a teddy bear. Kinda looks weird when it's so green. It's really hard to work with this very like limited color palette. And also it's really hard to talk and draw at the same time. I really suck at that. Looks kind of cute. Yeah, but I think I'm going to search for some reference for otters. Okay, I'm just going to take a moment and study like their cute faces. Just look at that, it's so cute. Oh, they have like really small ears. Their ears is like almost as big as their eyes. Oh, and they look like smiling all the time. That's so cute. Also, at the same time, I'm kind of putting this paper to test because I haven't used a lot of alcohol markers on this paper yet. And yeah, it's really hard to blend these colors out. Still looks really cute, even though the colors doesn't make any sense. It kind of gives it a little bit like of a graphic look, which I kind of like, but still like the color choices look really odd. To be honest, this looks kind of cute. It looks like a cloud or something, and I really like it. Also, another thing, like I thought that this color combination reminds me of like Christmas because of green and red. So thank God this marker is not too saturated. I'm gonna search for more reference and maybe finally sketch something that could be passable as the finished piece. I wonder what they usually eat, but I think I'm going to give mine like this, fishy, and also draw some greenery around it. For some reason he's giving me like some dragon vibes. Not sure why. Do they even eat fish? I don't know. I don't think I'm going to use any line art. Okay, now I'm kind of nervous for this part. I'm gonna try and blend as fast as possible. Yeah, this paper is not the best for like gradients and things like that. He looks like he's made out of jewels. Or something like that. Oh my god, why does he look so weird? I'm starting to hate this. Okay, I'm really missing some like texture, so I'm gonna try and add some of it. Yeah, that's like one of the weirdest drawings that I ever did. Okay, I'm going to try and make the fishies look like that violet color, like this one. It's even possible. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, it looks a little bit refreshing in this really mostly saturated drawing. Okay, I'm pretty happy about that. Turned out pretty well. I mean, except the whole drawing, of course. Man, that looks cool, kinda, not sure. I am really conflicted about this drawing. I feel like this would have worked a lot better if I had like fourth color. I think the anatomy looks kind of weird. I wish I would have cut off like this butt area. Yeah, it's like a weird drawing, and this color combination was really like hard to do. I'm not sure if I'm making it worse or I'm making it better, but at least I'm like doing something right. I enjoyed this one a lot more because it looks like a little bit cloudy, smoky. It has almost like a watercolor effect. And this one, not as much. I definitely messed up a lot. But I mean, what can I do now? What am I doing? That literally added like nothing. So I think I'm finished. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm not finished. Wait a second. Okay, I'm finished. Now I'm definitely finished. It looks weird, but oh yeah, it bled through a lot. Especially in those places where I put it like a ton of marker. So yeah, this is kind of basically it. Not sure if I like it or hate it, or I don't know, I'm conflicted of this drawing. Tell me what you think in the comments. What do you think? That I did like a good job? It was actually like really fun to try and work with colors that I've never worked with before. I especially like this drawing that I did, and yeah, at least I got like a cohesive looking sketchbook page out of this challenge. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!